Exclusive for glass fiber profile sanding. This linear sanding machine is a core processing tool. Adapts to various glass fiber profiles. Contour sanding, quickly removing surface burrs and defects. Uniform sanding without damage. Ensures finish and facilitates subsequent processing. Automatic feeding, easy operation, improving glass fiber sanding, efficiency and consistency. Exclusive glass fiber sanding, precise and efficient, empowering, processing upgrading. Interested? Leave your comment or PM me.